Welcome to another video of division of polynomials. Today we will divide polynomials with binomials and trinomials. So if you look here, this divisor x plus 2 is a binomial, and this is the dividend is our polynomial of degree 3 and 4 terms. So let's divide these two. So we will write 2x cubed plus 5x square minus x minus 6 divided by x plus 2. So let's make the symbol of division. This x plus 2 is the divisor, and this divisor always comes outside. This is called dividend, and this dividend is always comes inside this sign of division. Now, how do we start? Our first step is to divide. So, pick the first term, 2x cube, and divide it by the first term of the divisor, x. What is the coefficient of x? 1. 2 divided by 1, 2. X cube divided by x to the exponent 1 is x square, because they are being divided. So exponents would get subtracted. So 3 minus 1, 2. So I have got my this term, and I'm going to write this over here, 2x square. So we have divided the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. My first step is done. My next step is to multiply. Now what is to be multiplied? Multiply this 2x cube, this one, with the term which I just got from here, 2x square, with x and 2, the terms of the divisor. So let's multiply them. So what is x multiplied by 2x square? It's 2x cube. And what is 2 multiplied with 2x square? It's 4x square. So our next step is also done. Now, what is our next step? Our next step is to subtract. So we are going to subtract these two terms from the above two terms. And when we subtract the polynomials, we always change the signs. What is the sign of 2x cube? That thing is there, it means it is plus. So my new sign would be minus. What is the sign of this term? Plus. So my new sign would be minus. Now, 2x cube minus 2x cube. Now take the new sign into consideration. Don't take the old sign plus. Take the new sign minus. 2x cube minus 2x cube. Any quantity subtracted the same quantity gives you 0. So we show it by cancelling it. Plus 5 minus 4 is plus 1. So it's plus 1x square. So we have subtracted. My next step is to bring down the other terms. So it's minus x minus 6. So what is my next step? My next step is bring down. Now, again, repeat the process. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So let's divide. What is to be divided? The first term of your expression or the dividend, which is here 1x square, by the first term of the divisor. What is that term? 1x. 1 divided by 1, 1. X square divided by x to the exponent 1 is just x. 2 minus 1, 1. So how I can write? I can just write it as x. In algebra, we do not write 1. 1 are invisible. So this x would come here plus x. What is my next step? My next step is to multiply. What? My next step is to multiply this new term x with the terms of divisor. So let's multiply it. X times x, x square. You want to write 1? You can. You do not want to write? Doesn't matter. Plus x times 2 plus 2x. Divide, multiply. We did it. Now subtract. Change the signs. Plus 1x square minus 1x square cancel 0. Minus what is here? 1. Minus 1x minus 2x. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3x. And now again bring down this minus 6. We are done with bring down. Go back again to the first step, divide. What is to be divided? This first quantity, negative 3x with the first quantity or the first term of divisor. What is that? X. What is minus 3x divided by x? What is here? 1. Minus 3 divided by 1 is minus 3. X divided by x is just 1. We do not write 1. It's negative 3. So put here negative 3. And now, what is my next step? Multiply this new term minus 3 with the terms of the divisor. What is minus 3 multiplied by x? It's minus 3x. So put here minus 3x. What is minus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2? It's minus 6. We are done. Now subtract. Change the signs. What is minus 3x plus 3x? 0. What is minus 6 plus 6? 0. So my remainder is 0. And my division is done. We took all the terms of the dividend up to 6. Look here, minus 6. Nothing is left after this. And so my division is complete. And what is my answer? This is my answer. Where is my answer? This one. 2x square plus x minus 3. This is my answer. And this is called as quotient. What is quotient? Quotient is the answer of the division. Let's take our next example. So x4 minus 4x cube minus 7x square plus 42x plus 40 divided by the binomial term x minus 3. So, so our first step is to divide, then we need to multiply, then subtract, and the last step in the sequence is bring down. So let's divide. Divide what? Divide the first term of dividend with the first term of divisor x. So we are dividing this with this. So exponent of x is 1. So x4 divided by x1 is x3. 4 minus 1, 3. So I got my first term x cube. And now we have done divide. Now multiply. Multiply what? Multiply x cube with x and 3. So what is x cube with x? It's x4. And then x cube with negative 3 is negative 3x cube. So now my next step is to subtract. While subtracting, we change the signs. This will be cancel. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1x cube. I will just write it as minus x cube. Bring down minus 7x square. Now again divide x cube minus x cube with this x. What is the coefficient of x? It's 1, it's 1. Now this is minus and this is plus, so my answer will be minus. 3 minus 1, 2. So minus x square. That is my next term. Now multiply minus x square with x. What is x multiplied by minus x square? It's minus x cube. What is multiplied by negative 3 times negative x square, which is equal to plus 3x square. Subtract. Change the signs. Minus x cube plus x cube cancel. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10x square. Bring down this term plus 42x. Now, what is this? Minus 10x square. So let's divide minus 10x square by the first term of the divisor, means x. What is the coefficient of x? 1. So minus 10 divided by 1 is minus 10. X squared divided by x1 is just x. So that's my next term, minus 10x. Minus 10x multiplied by x is minus 10x square. And minus 10x multiplied by minus 3 is plus 30x. Change the signs. Minus 10x square plus 10x square cancel. Plus 42 minus 30 will give you plus 12x. Bring down what? 40 over here plus 40. Now this is 12x. The first term is 12x divided by the first term of divisor x. 12x divided by x is just 12 because x divided by x is 1. So my term is plus 12. So plus 12 times x is plus 12x, and plus 12 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 36. Change the signs. This got cancelled. So what do you get? What is 40 plus 36? It is 76. This is my remainder. I cannot continue my division after this because the degree of this remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. What is the degree of the divisor? Degree is the highest exponent. The degree is 1. What is the degree of this 76 constant? The degree of any constant is always 0, because 76 can be written as 76 x to the exponent 0. Why x to the exponent 0? Because x to the exponent 0 is 1. So 76 times 1 is 76. Always remember, degree of a constant polynomial is always 0. So the degree of this 76 is 0. Degree of my divisor is 1. So if the degree of this remainder part is less than the degree of divisor, I cannot continue my division. There is no x term. What shall I divide? Nothing. I cannot divide 76 with x to find out my next term. No. So my division is stopped, and my answer of division, which is called as quotient, is this one. So this is my answer, or the quotient. Let's go to the next example. In my next example, if you see clearly, my divisor is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. It's a trinomial of what degree? Trinomial of degree 2. And my dividend is actually a cubic polynomial. The degree is 3. So let's see how we divided this polynomials. So it is x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 2 divided by x square minus x plus 1. The process remains the same. The 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. The steps stays the same. Alright, take the first term, x cube, divided by the first term of the divisor, x square. What is that? It's x. So my first term in the quotient is x. Now multiply this x with all the terms of the divisor. So x times x square is x cube. X times minus x is minus x square. X times plus 1 is plus x. Subtract. Minus, plus, minus. We change the signs. While we subtract, we change the signs. Now, what is x cube minus x cube? 0. Cancel. Minus 3 plus, what is here? 1. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2x square. Plus 4, what is here? 1. Plus 4 minus 1 plus 3x minus 2. Again, divide. Minus 2x square, this term, divided by the first term of the divisor, x square. What is minus 2x square divided by x square? It's just minus 2, because x square and x square divided by x square is 1. So put minus 2 here, and now multiply this minus 2 with all the 3 terms of the divisor. So minus 2 times x square is minus 2x square. Minus 2 times minus x is plus 2x. Minus 2 times plus 1 is minus 2. Change the signs while we subtract these terms. Minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel. Plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1x, means just x. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. This is my remainder. Why this is my remainder? What is the degree here? 1. What is the degree of the divisor? 2. When the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor, we stop the division because this is our remainder. So my quotient is x minus 2 and my remainder is x. And this concludes the division. Stay tuned for many more such math videos. Comment below if you want me to make a video on some particular topic. Next time, I will be doing 50 multiple choice questions on all the operations of the polynomials: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So stay tuned. Good luck with your studies. Bye for now.